What's up, guys? And today we'll be playing some Minecraft PE. And today we are visiting the Christmas theme park. Let's go it. And I'm here with Chloe. Right here. Okay, so I'll just going to turn on. And
Saan yung mukha mo?
wala pa, teka lang. Okay, there it is. Oh, my own self. Oh, sorry, that was very big. Here's Chloe right here. Okay, so we're both playing Minecraft PE, but I'm playing the Christmas theme park. And let me just little size it so you can see all. So I stole a lot of food. You know where it is, the foods? We can just ask the foods. Get it? We can just ask the foods. I mean, we can't ask the foods. Now let's go on with our first attraction. Oh, but first, before that, we'll go to the building competition and get something to eat. Because I'm very starved. Yeah. Chloe is starving in Minecraft. Nope. She's not starving. Chloe, if the iPad is low bat, just plug it there and then wait for it, and then just join me first for a while. Aha. So I made like this little Christmas tree that is so disaster. Is it? Is it? Is it? Oh dude, I got cookies, and so I'm going to turn off it now because okay, there you go. So you can't see me anymore. Aw, Chloe loves me. We got homemade human finger cheese. So good.
Ay, nagugutom ako.
Huh? Gutom ka na? Gutom ka na agad?
Hindi pa kasi ako makain eh.
Di ka ba nagpe-breakfast? Kumain ka muna doon ng saging.
Saan?
Diyan lang sa amin.
Ikaw na kumuha. Huwag mo sabihin ako nagsabi ha. Ikaw nagsabi nun.
Okay.
Ano sasabihin mo kay mama mo?
Sasabihin ko, pahingi akong saging.
Titignan kita.
Okay guys, we'll post this for a while.
Ano mo yan sa ano? Huwag mo na yung isend.
O hindi ko na isasend. Ay, Lord. Ang Chloe, chanela sa pizza. Got 2 bananas. What do you want? This or this? Okay. Homemade. Hindi pala to homemade. Okay, that's all for today. Peace out. Bully bop.